Now you can see behind me, I am over the bridge. You can see the road, and this is how I practice daily speaking English. You can see the Yamuna river behind me, and you can see the a large amount of water. It's not a that much water in rainy. How can I say ki when the time of rain, the water level raise. Now decrease the water level because of it's not rain. It's a sun getting hot day by day, and it's I don't know how to express, but yes. And you know what? I want to practice of English speaking daily, but you know what? Why I am not able to because I feel shy while I speak in English in public, because of some people looks at me in such a way कि what he is doing. And now I will show you. You can see the road, and now you can see such kinds of vehicle, and now you can see the water. It's a scary to look into the water, because I don't even realize how deep it is. And you can see some people are throwing the polythenes and some flowers, as you can see. And he talks about to keeps water clean, but he throws into the river water a polythene and such kinds of things. And now you can see you know the view of this at evening is so amazing and so relaxing. You can see I am looking at the large amount of water, and I am just scared of drop. What if I drop my phone into the water? My phone will not be available for me at any cost. You can see the water. Now I am just going from here because it may takes 1 or 2 hours to reach to my home. Because of its evening time, I will face traffic jam at many red lights. For example, Chirag Delhi, Khanpur, Devli, Lajpat Nagar, and I will face traffic lights jam. This is why it may takes 1 or 2 hours to reach there. I am at the Yamuna river right now. I am just leaving from here, and now once again I want to show you the water waves. You can see the water waves. And they are different type of water. You can see this color is different and this color is different. You can see it's so scary to view. And now people are stopping their vehicle to look at the view, and some are here to throwing into the water polythenes and flowers. I don't know why, but he throws into the water some god's idol, we can say. And now you can see, this is why I am not want to speak in public place. I want to make blog on the daily basis, while I will practice in English only, and people look at me what he is doing. This is why I feel shy. And oh my god, he is I will show you something. And you can see the boat. This is not a proper boat. This is is it really a boat? And two peoples are there. One is, riding the boat, and another one is sitting along with. And now he is, going at the wave side. You can see he, the both people were not, even scared through the, from the water. I am so scared, and now you can see a people. I want to, show you now. Leave it all things, and I am just going to my home. Just leave it, and I will talk to you at my home. Now you can see I just, have the dinner. Now you can see my condition. I am sweating all. Even you can see the fan is on. I am just, beneath the fan and taking, some cool air from this fan, ceiling fan. But I'm just sweating. You can see I'm just sweating. You know how I learn English and how I am practicing. I am a beginner, but I practice on daily basis because of I just cooking food for myself as a dinner. For my dinner, we can say, I can say. And you can see the airport. I was, listening to the Jack Ma motivational video on how to train your mind to think in English. He was saying it in that video, okay, think like a children, think like a, kids, because kids never, never shy to make mistakes. He, they make mistakes, but they try to do such things again and again, and try to speak again and again, and try to, you know, mimic again and again to elders, but they listen. They, every time try to mimic. This is why not kids not take, so much time to speak in English. They takes, 1 years, hardly one, and we can say 1 and 1.5 years to speak fluently in their native language. Okay, whether it may, Hindi, whether it may, English, but Jack Ma was saying in that video that train your mind like a kids. Kids don't know about anything. They, want to, like a crazy to, know the things ke what is it and how we pronounce it, and what to say in English and what to say in that language in which kids are growing, and something like that you have to speak it. And I, mostly I am on the field, and I want to, make blogs while I am speaking, but I feel shy because of there are a lot of people in public place or on roads. And today I left for the left for the, left to the customer for payment update, and it rained. This is why I, I have to, and we can say I had to stand at the roadside for a few minutes. This is why I was late to reach at my client, and my client was, like, what's the time, Bakil Saab? I was like, you know, there was raining. This is why I am late. I had to, stand under the bridge so that I can, secure myself to getting wet from the, raindrops. and somehow I go to the office, and in office my senior was saying, what happened, Rohit? You are so late. And I was saying ki traffic on road in my not in my hand. There are a lot of traffic and lots of jam in each and every red light. This is why I it took some time of me to reach there on time. And my senior was saying, I you will think if you don't able to express your idea fluently, why are you you know try to speak out and try to, and I am want to express myself because of I want to train my mouth to whenever I try to speak what I know in my mind. In my mind I am so fluent, but when it times to speak, my mind don't give the words to my tongue to speak out. This is why I you know take some time from my mind to think only in English, even though I train my mind in English all day long. Because whenever whenever what I see, I push my mind to think in English ki what we say to this in English only, because of in my native language I know what is it. But for example, we see at the wall what is it and what we say in English. And in English, we can say it's a type of frame, we can say. And now, if I don't know what to say, so I just click the photo of that image and go to the Google and ask what to say and what is it. This is how I train my mind and convert the things in English in my mind. This is how I practice, and we can say this is the bend. This is the bend we wear when I appear in the court, usually before the court. And now you can see this is the wire. You can see this is the wire, and this is the what to say, I don't know what to say in English, but we put the bulb in this to light the bulb. We have to put the bulb in the switch, we can say. But I don't know what to what is the right word to speak, right word to say. I will definitely search on Google this. If you know, let me know in the comment box. Now you can see this is how I practice. And now I just had my this is the words which I know, and this is the conditions which I created in my mind. But real communication is other mind. But I don't know what he about to ask me, and he is about to, I don't know what to. Let's, I want to say you, I don't know what's going on in other mind, and but they will, but he will ask me about anything. This is why the real communication is to communicate with other people, even though you don't know how to reply, even though you feel stuck. I feel stuck many times in public place. But sorry. And this act was what to say in English, let me know in the comment box. Okay, bye.